Thank you for watch Aldous Art Studio video channel. I am Aldous today.
多謝你收看這視頻。
Last year, I had grown chayote from the whole fruit as many people do. I do harvest a lot of chayote as you can see in the slideshow. This year, I got the chayote seed by cut open the fruit and remove the seed carefully and keep them in my refrigerator at about 4 degrees Celsius over the winter time. You can see in my slideshow. As you can see from pictures, the seed looks fine. I will plant them outside at the temperature about 15 degrees Celsius. I will monitor the growing from time to time to show you the progress and the results. To get the progress and the result immediately, please press the bell icon for free subscription of my channel.
种佛手瓜，切开佛手瓜果实以获得种子，放冰箱的温度4度摄氏，测试结果是可以工作的，但是种子需要用塑胶袋完美密封，并保持温度在4摄氏度。我种了一株植物，正如你在这个视频中看到的。
多謝你收看這視頻，歡迎點擊公式按鈕訂閱。